that a reservoir? Oh my god, dude. That is crazy. Look how many reservoirs there are. That is crazy, dude.
Until 7:15 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sayreville to near Clarksburg to Wilmington, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Look at that thunderstorm. Dark clouds.
Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Long Branch, Asbury Park, Sandy Hook, Lakewood, Middletown, Old Bridge, Jackson, Howell, East Brunswick, Marlboro, Manalapan, Kitten Falls, Holdall,
Dude, so many.
Red Bank, Beechwood, Mount Holly, McClellan, and Jamesburg.
Goddamn,
This includes the
bro.
following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 7 and 9. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 2 and 34. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 53 and 58. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 78 and 122.
Jeez, bro.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Goddamn. Go.
Thunderstorms approaching the
That's
waters.
the marine water statement.
The areas affected include Long Island Sound, west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York. At 6:25 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms capable of producing winds to around 30 knots and a small tail. These thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 nautical miles north of Captain Harbor to near Eastchester Bay, moving east at 20 knots.